Yes, hello everybody. Welcome to another backtesting session. Happy Saturday. Okay, the last time I backtested was for 1 week ago, and today finally I got some spare time to put on the charts. We go to next day New York session. Here we go. We go to the daily time frame first. Here we go. Here we go, here we go. Okay, so daily time frame looks like this. We have respected this daily fair value gap. We have wicked it and move back up. The same on not the same on ES, but almost. Okay, so we go to the 4-hour time frame. We have disrespected this for value gap, so it looks like this buy side could be our drawn liquidity on the higher time frame. So, and we mark out our sell side as well. Here we go. Okay, so we mark out our buy side and sell side both on ES and NQ. On the 4-hour it looks like this, and we're inside this 4-hour gap still. So I would like to mark that out. I usually do like this. So because the body is inside this candle still, so we will see what we want to do from here on. On the 1-hour time frame it looks like sell side of the curve and then buy side of the curve. So right now we're on our way to make our buy side of the curve, and and we go to the 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, okay, we have taken our buy side here, so I would like to see what we do from here on. Once we take this buy side, we're still inside this 4-hour gap. We could just wick this for value gap and then go back lower. So I wanna mark out some for value gaps that could be important. Okay, we go down to the 5 minutes. I wanna mark out this. As this could play as change in state for me to the downside. So we go. Yes, we play. Here we go. Real Batman. This looks like a new scandal. So we have closed below this change in state on the 5 minutes. So we go back down, up on higher time frame. So as we can see, this looks, here we go. And right now, if we're going down, I expect the market to go all the way down, like here or here. If we show the confirmation that we are going down. But I would like to see if this for rally gap holds or not. This one. And this could, yeah. If we don't hold this for rally gap, then I expect the market to go higher to this. I want to mark that out with red color. Yes sir. So let's see. This is where I normally could take a short. Once we close below this, put my stop loss above this high, go break even here, and then later running. So place order 1%, 7 journal, and last but not least, take a picture, a photo. Yeah, I expect the market to go at least here. We could go here too, so for the I am bullish on the higher time frame, but for us, for the market to go higher, we need to go lower first, and exactly that's why I take a short here. I could also be waiting for taking a long as well, because we are on our way to make buy side of the curve, and that's exactly what I want to see. But exactly, I think this is the higher time frame drawn liquidity, or this too. But in the moment, I think we want to go lower, because we have shown the confirmation that we want to. So that's why I take a short here, and I want to keep an eye on ES2 so we know what we are doing. This doesn't look good. This doesn't look good, because now, if when we didn't go straight down after this bearish candle, now what we might do is to go up and take these highs and inverse back like this. So that's why I might get stopped out. Here we go. Exactly. We also took this high. So now we have a bearish SMT. Now we have a bearish SMT. So what I did wrong here is that I was not patient enough to wait for a perfect trade. So right now we go and take this high on NQ, but not on ES. So that means we have bearish SMT, and before everything else I need to write this down. I need to write my journal on this trade, and I will be back soon. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, this right here is my journal. The trade I took was based on market maker model, and I was thinking that the market goes lower first to then go higher, and build market maker buy model. So I entered the trade after seeing change in state field and big displacement to the downside, rejection of higher time frame 4 hour for valley gap, but got stopped out. Lessons: I could have been, as I said, I could have been more patient. I was recording and said that I could maybe wait to see bullish confirmation because I would have taken greater reward. I was bullish but took the short after seeing confirmation that we are bearish. But later on the market showed real bearish confirmation after ES putting an SMT. ES did not take the previous high which NQ did, so be extra patient during market open, 10 to 15 minutes. And this is the pictures I took. Yes sir. So let's see how this plays out, okay? I would really like to see if this bearish SMT holds or not. Here we go. Jesus. Yeah, we took that low on ES, but not on NQ. So right now we have a bullish SMT. So let's see if we go higher or lower from here on. We still have bearish SMT, but I don't think that will hold. Here we go. Market maker buy model. If I have been patient, I would have received a greater reward, as I say. Yes, so this was a real Batman. This was a good analyze, even if I didn't take any profit from it, but still I had the right analyze and say that this is sell side of the curve and this is buy side of the curve. So we go to the next day market open, but before that we clear everything out. No, wait, Control Z. Okay, go to New York session. We are on all-time highs, and this will get more scary now. Okay, we have taken our let me clear everything up. The market is choppy on the 1 hour time frame. We don't have any kind of confirmation where we want to go. So right now we are accumulating, and here as well, accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. So what do we have here? We have taken all the sell side, we have taken all this buy side on NQ, but guess what? Not on ES. Not on ES. Which means we have a bearish SMT. Here we go. But that's not enough, right? That's not enough. This is how it looks on the 5 minutes. Nothing. You can take nothing from here. So here we go. Now we broke the bearish SMT, and we just need to zoom in and out. Okay. Well, I think the price is still bullish, but usually I would not take a trade until we are outside of this range. So here we go, 15 minutes, and this will be my change in state, because the last series of up close candles okay, now we have something. Now we have something. So where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Where do I want to go? Okay. So this is very difficult trade. Yes, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. After putting a bullish SMT here, and this I consider it as accumulation and manipulation to the downside. One last move puts an SMT and move back up. So this is where I take my short, long. I will take out my, I will put my TP on this equal highs, you can see, and this is this could be a very good trade. Here we go. And I will have my stop loss so here, and place order. Why I take this trade, okay? Why I take this trade? Reason number one, as I said, I consider this as one last move down, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution upside. We will go higher than this. And the reason number two is we close above this last bullish candle here, so bearish candle, okay, and we have displacement, we leave rally gap here, and we also have these equal highs here. So this are the reason I entered the trade. Also we have a bullish SMT, so another reason, but we will see what happens. This is where I move my stop loss to not entry here. Let me see. Yes, so this is where I take out 50% of my position, move my stop loss to entry, and let the market do its thing. So here we go. There we go. I would like to see, this is not a good price action actually. Look, and I still believe that we could go up and take those highs, those equal highs. But the price action like this, I don't know. No sir. No sir. So this is the kind of price action we got on the 15 minutes time frame. But I still took profit from that. Isn't that so? Yo. So once again, I go back, write down my journal, and be back soon. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the journal, and the daily bias was unclear. We were on all-time high, and the market was chopping, accumulating, and I had no idea where the market is heading toward. But later on, I took a long after seeing that the market went down one last time and bullish confirmation appeared. Candle closed above last bearish candle and change in state field, and we did displacement. ES did not take the low that NQ did, and we now had a bullish S&T too. Equal highs resting above us, so I thought that was the drawn liquidity. Put my stop loss below the low and TP above the highs. Entered the trade, went break even, and moved my stop loss to entry, got stopped out. Good trade and good management, but drawn liquidity was a bit wrong because we took the low that I had my stop loss and then chopped a lot, so it was not a good price action and trading day, but still satisfied it with what we got. But as you can see, this price action shows that you can go to the gym, drink chai or coffee, and mind your other businesses. So you cannot take any trade under these circumstances or this condition when the market is this much choppy. But yes, so we go to wait. I think that's enough for today. Adios amigos, and see you soon.